Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the light of the battlefield plate armor in Crimson Desert. First things first, you'll want to head on to the Crimson Desert in this area of the map. It's in the area where you fight the Sandfang Marauders. If you don't have this area unlocked yet, pause the video for a sec and align the map cursor to this spot. Use M on the word Crimson as your guide. Now once you're in this place, there will be a lot of mobs guarding the camp. You really don't need to fight anyone in this area. I think these guys are also blind from the sand, so you can just crouch walk towards the camp. This zone has a bit of a sandstorm effect on it, so I'll show you exactly where to crouch walk for the gear. So if you came from this way, just walk straight passing both guards on the left and the right. Sometimes there's a wolf around this area that chases you, so you have to be careful about that. Now once you're in, walk towards your left. To the right of this spot, there will be a small room with a treasure chest inside containing the gear. Now, as you can see, this gear can only be equipped by Damien. It's a good gear for her with 17 defense and a buff to spirit regen. It also has a 1 pet trust gain, so you can extract this gear and place it to other stuff if you want to build an armor for collecting companions. And that is how to get the light of the battlefield plate armor in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.